Hello, marketing team. Today, we're sharing the roadmap for our exciting new credit card line targeting first-time cardholders. This presentation will outline the product focus, key features, marketing strategy, and major milestones for this critical new offering. Our new credit card line is specifically designed for first-time cardholders, a segment needing guidance and a safe entry into credit. The core goals are to promote responsible debt management, provide essential financial education, and enable a safe, positive credit-building experience. Let's dive into the key features that differentiate our product in this competitive market. A key draw is the option for customized card designs, appealing to the demand for personalization, especially among younger demographics. To prioritize safety and reduce risk for new users, we are implementing low initial credit limits, fostering responsible usage from day one. We are proud to offer industry-leading competitive APRs, ensuring our card is an attractive and responsible choice for building credit. Now, let's turn our attention to the planned marketing strategy for this new credit card line. Our strategy involves clear segmentation, focusing on students, young professionals, and anyone new to the world of credit. The messaging will heavily emphasize financial literacy, responsible credit building, and the long-term benefits of establishing good credit habits early. Here are the critical roadmap milestones for the rest of Q3 and Q4. The immediate focus is the completion of final card design testing and securing all necessary regulatory approvals, expected late Q3. In Q4, we launched the Educational Content Campaign, a digital-first approach to pre-educate our target audience on credit management. We will initiate a pilot program launch with key university partners to test processes and gather initial user feedback before the broad rollout. The full public rollout is planned towards the end of Q4, followed by continuous performance monitoring and analysis. The marketing team has two critical next steps to ensure a successful launch. Please finalize all creative assets, ensuring they align with the approved card designs and brand guidelines. Develop the detailed launch communication plan, outlining channels, timing, and key messages for each segment. Thank you for your attention. We are now open for any questions and discussion regarding this roadmap.